Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through chapter 6, Weather and Climate. I have completed the chapter. Roughly I will go through the chapter once again and I will explain you the exercises of it. Circle the correct options and tick the correct option and also the fill in the blanks. So that I will explain it to you, and roughly we will go through the chapter also once again. And hope you have completed your diagram, but no one has shown me in the group. So you do complete your diagram of 2 seasons, okay? And complete your copy also. Copy corrections are going on. Class 1 has gone today. Class 1 will go, then like that when class 5 will go, we will inform you day before that, and you should come for the copy correction. In the first session when the copy correction was done, only few 5C class students had come, so another class also very few students had come. So you better come, otherwise you will not get your marks for the copy correction. So all of you should attend the copy correction day school. You should come to the school with all your copies, not books. You come with your copies as well as your summer vacation holiday homework, so that we can check it. Okay, so today we will go through the chapter 6 exercises. I will explain it to you, and that you will do it in your book only. Don't ask me again where to write it. I had told you that exercises you will do it in the book only. Only diagram and question answers, short and detailed both, that you will do it in your copies, fair copies. And whatever work I am giving for classwork at that time, that's like the spot check or other things I give you, word bank, that you will do it in your rough copy. So is it clear now that what you have to do in your rough copy, what you have to do it in your fair copy, and what you have to do in your SST book? Okay, so let's get started. So students, I had completed this chapter, Weather and Climate. Roughly we will go through it. I had told you weather is the day-to-day change in atmospheric condition, means daily the weather changes, and climate on the other hand is a long-term evaluation of the condition prevailing in a particular region. Climate, it is for the long duration, and weather is the day-to-day change. Okay, then what causes changes in the climatic conditions? So there are many factors that causes changes in the weather conditions. It is equator, the biggest gainer of sunlight. How high are we from the sea level, that is the altitude. Then distance from the sea, how far we are from the sea. Then ocean currents, we are getting warm ocean currents or we are getting cold wind blowing. Then moisture in the air and precipitations, the rainfall at time. Then we have the major climatic zones also. There are 7 climatic zones. Tropical wet, desert and semi-arid, it comes in one only. Then Mediterranean, then humid subtropical, marine west coast, humid continental, and tundra. 7 there are major climatic zones. Then word bank, I had already told you, proximity means nearness, how much near it is. Cradle means place of origin, and hurricane means a typical cyclone. So now we are going to go through the exercises. So the first exercise is circle the correct option. So in exam, if it comes tick the correct option, so you will tick it. Okay, you will not circle it. You will tick it. The regions above the sea levels are. So what will be the answer? Hotter or colder? The regions where the sea level is there, and if we are going above it, we are going to the mountain side. So what it will be? Hotter or colder? So it will be colder. So we will tick to colder. Okay. Then we come to the deserts receives. Now how much deserts receive rainfall? Low rainfall or moderate rainfall? So it is low rainfall, because desert area, it is very dry. Then tropical wet region receives how much rainfall? High rainfall, because it has hot also and humid also. Then throughout the year the marine west coast region remains what? How does it remains? It remains damp, little bit wet, not dry. Then the tundra is treeless or waterless, so it is treeless. See here it is written now. This is a freezing treeless zone, tundra. So it is treeless. Okay. Now we have completed the circle, the correct option. Now we will come to the fill in the blanks. Humid continental region is found between, in which degree it is found? So it is found in 40 degree and 50 degree. This is degree. This small 0 is degree. Then winters are very harsh in the dash region. So which region winter is very harsh? See here, winter is very harsh in the tundra region. So it is here, it is tundra region. Okay. Then deciduous forests are found in the dash climatic zone. So it is found in the humid climatic zone. Humid climatic zone. Okay. It is found in the humid climatic zone. Then we come to the fourth one. Deserts receives an annual rainfall of. How much rainfall does desert receives? It receives 10 inches of rainfall. 10 inches. 10 inches. And then dash is called the seasonless climatic zone, where there is no season. So it is tropical wet. It is tropical wet. Okay. So this is the work. You will do it in your book, SST book only, not in the copy. You will do it in your book only. Okay. I will give it in the group and you will do it in the book and show it to me. And then we will go through the short question answers and detailed question answers afterwards. Okay. Thank you.